So friends, if you are using IDFC First Bank application and if you want to know how to add beneficiary or payee account in this particular app, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now, all you have to do is just simply open IDFC First Bank application and complete the login process. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now, in order to add beneficiary account on homepage itself, you have to select bank transfer or send money option. So once you select bank transfer, it will take you to next page. If you have already added a payee account or a beneficiary account, you will be able to see the account over here like this. But if in case you have not added any account, then you have to select add payee option. So once you select add payee on the next page, you need to select bank first. Then you need to enter the account number 2 times, enter the IFSC code, you can enter the payee name, and you can add a nickname that is completely optional. And once you enter every detail, just simply select confirm and add payee. So let me fill up the details first. Now you can see I have already entered the details, but before going ahead, let me tell you one thing, that there is an important note over here which says fund will be transferred using payee's account number and IFSC code. IDFC First Bank will not validate bank account or credit card number, and it is not responsible for unintended fund transfer. So before transferring your money to beneficiary or payee account, please make sure that the entered details are correct and then only try to send the money, because if anything happens, IDFC Bank is not responsible, which is given over here. So yeah, once you enter the details, simply select confirm and add payee option. Now you will receive an OTP on your registered number. Enter the OTP and go ahead. And now you can see we have added payee successfully. And also you can check out the payment limits for new payee account. For first 30 minutes, you can send up to 5,000 rupees. And for first 24 hours, you can send up to 25,000 rupees. And for after 24 hours, as per daily limit, that's given over here. So yeah, simply tap on done. And again, if you want to check out the newly added payee account, you can just simply go to bank transfer. And earlier only one account was there, but now you can see there are 2 payee account in my IDFC First Bank application. In your case, if you are adding the account for the first time, there will be only one account. So this is how simple it is to add payee or beneficiary account in IDFC First Bank application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.